So now let's customize your channel by adding various elements such as your channel description and links to your websites. When editing your channel's about page, you want to have a list of keywords that are relevant to your business niche. This will improve your channel's SEO and help users find your channel and your videos. In this video, we will go over one of the best methods to find the most searched keywords for your niche. You want your channel description to inform people about your business, your product or service, and what they can expect from your channel. You can also include other information like why they should subscribe and what your upload schedule will be for your videos. Not only will this information be beneficial to your viewers, but also helps the search engine rankings and SEO. Having a keyword list will also come in handy when filling out your channel's backend settings and tags. You also have the ability to add links to your about page as well. This can include links to your website, products, or other social media pages. We will also add other elements such as your business email and location. So now let's head over to YouTube and go to your channel homepage. From here, go ahead and click on the blue Customize Channel button. Now you want to look at the top menu and click on the About tab. From this page, you can edit your channel description, details, and links. If you click on the channel description button, you should see a text box where you can add your channel description. But before we do this, we'll need some good keywords to include in our description. One of my favorite places to search for keywords to use is Google Keyword Planner. You can access the Google Keyword Planner tool at ads.google.com under the Advanced Resources. To get started, let's click on the blue Go to Keyword Planner button. If you're already signed into your YouTube account, you should automatically be signed into Google as well. On this page, you want to look at the box on the left and click on Discover New Keywords. In the text box, go ahead and type in the main topic for your brand or business. I'm going to use technical analysis. You can then go down to the bottom and click on Get Results. This will bring up a list of the most searched keywords for your selected topic. Before we continue, let's look at the menu up top and sort our list by the average monthly searches. Your list should now be sorted with the most searched keywords at the top. Go ahead and copy or write down 10 to 15 different keywords to use for your channel description. We will also use this keyword list when we get to your channel tags. So now that we have our keywords, let's head back over to our YouTube channel. You can now type in your YouTube channel description using the keyword list that we just created. Your channel description can include information about you, your business, and what to expect from your channel. When you're finished filling out your channel description, go ahead and click on the blue Save button. And there we have it. Now visitors going to your YouTube page can go to your About section and learn more about your channel from your description. The keywords you added will also help with your channel SEO and search engine rankings. So now let's go down to the Details section and click on the Email button. Here you can type in your business email for business inquiries. I've actually received a ton of business opportunities and partnership requests from people finding my email here. Make sure you add yours as well. Next, you can use the drop-down menu here to select your business location. I'm currently in Atlanta, Georgia, so I'm going to select the United States. Underneath the location, you'll see the Links section. We've already added one link for our banner, but let's click the Edit button and see if we can add more to our About page. The top link here goes directly to my trading and investing courses, but let's add another one here that goes to my main website. If you look at the text here, you can see you can add up to 5 different links on your channel banner. But I think this looks a little cluttered, so I'm going to change mine to 1 and have the rest of my links available only on my About page. Go ahead and add links to your business, your products, your social media pages, or any other place you want to send your viewers. When you're finished adding your links, go ahead and click on the blue Save button at the bottom right. And there you have it. You have your description, your business email, location, and links. Remember that any of this information can be edited or updated at any time. So now let's go back to our channel homepage and see how the About page looks for our viewers. From the top menu, let's click on About. So here's how everything will look when people visit my YouTube channel. They can learn about my channel by reading the description, send me a message by clicking the View Email Address button here, and also view my website or my products by clicking the links down at the bottom. So that's it for setting up your About page on your YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.